Think you're safe online? Think again. Let's bust some common cybersecurity myths. Follow me on Sal Cyber on Instagram for more content like this. Myth number 1. They say strong passwords are enough, but actually, you need two-factor authentication, different passwords for each account you have, and regular updates. Myth number 2. They say closing your webcam keeps you safe, but actually, hackers can still get in other ways. Closing your webcam helps, but it's not enough. Myth number 3. They say updates are just annoying, but actually, updates protect you from new threats by fixing security issues. Always update your software. Myth number 4. They say only big companies get hacked, but actually, hackers target everyone, including individuals and small businesses. If you have something they want, you're a target. Myth number 5. They say public Wi-Fi is safe, but actually, public Wi-Fi is risky. Avoid doing sensitive stuff on public networks to stay secure. Stay smart, stay safe, and don't fall for these cyber